In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to your GoDaddy website. First of all, you need to log into your GoDaddy account, then click on your profile in the top right and go to your products page. Right here, you need to look at the left-hand side menu and click on the website, then overview, and you need to find your website, then click on edit website. And after that, you need to go to your website settings, which is in the top right corner. You need to click on this and then click on connect domain. But there is a problem. If you have free account, you can't connect custom domain to your GoDaddy website. First of all, you need to upgrade your plan. So you need to click on select a plan. And right here, you need to choose at least basic plan for your GoDaddy website. As you can see, basic plan costs $10 if you pay yearly, and it costs $22 if you pay monthly. When you upgrade your account, then you can go back and click connect domain again. After that, it shows you your domain list, and you need to pick the domain you want to connect to your GoDaddy website, and that's all. It will be automatically connected to your website. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.